Here are 10 fun and interesting facts about polar bears. Polar bears are found exclusively in the Arctic. Their key habitats are the edges of pack ice, where currents and wind create a constantly melting and refreezing pattern of ice patches and leads. Due to climate change and the loss of sea ice, the coastal plain of the Arctic refuge is becoming an increasingly important area for denning. Polar bears are the largest land carnivores, with adult males weighing up to 1,500 pounds, or 700 kilograms, and standing about 10 feet tall on their hind legs. Polar bears are excellent swimmers. They can swim for hours, covering distances of over 60 miles, or 97 kilometers, in search of food or land. Polar bears feed almost exclusively on ringed seals and bearded seals, many stocks of which are also now listed under the Endangered Species Act. These bears are also known to eat walrus, beluga whale, and bowhead whale carcasses, birds' eggs, and, sometimes, vegetation. Their large paws act like snowshoes, helping them walk on ice and snow without sinking. The bottoms of their paws are also covered with fur to keep them warm. Polar bears have thick fur, but their skin underneath is actually black. This helps them absorb and keep warmth from the sun. Their translucent fur appears white because it reflects visible light, which helps them blend in with icy and snowy environments. Female polar bears, called sows, typically give birth to 1 or 2 cubs that weigh around 1 pound each. They nurse them until the cubs grow to 20 to 30 pounds before emerging from the den in March or April. Polar bear cubs will stay with their mothers for just over 2 years. Sows can have up to 5 litters in their lifetime, which is one of the lowest reproductive rates among mammals. Polar bears have an amazing sense of smell. They can detect a seal from over 20 miles, or 32 kilometers away, or smell food under 3 feet of snow. When they're not hunting or swimming, polar bears can sleep up to 18 hours a day to conserve energy. Polar bears are threatened by climate change because melting sea ice makes it harder for them to find food. This has led them to travel greater distances to hunt. These fascinating facts show just how unique and special polar bears are.